Hi guys, today we're making one of my favorite cold morning breakfasts. These are cranberry muffins. They're sweet, they're tart, they're fluffy, and just oh so delicious. And there's like a little bit of a ripple of cream cheese in the middle. You are going to love this recipe. The first step to making these super easy muffins is preparing the cream cheese center, and that means we need to soften up our cream cheese. If it's not soft, you can just microwave it for like 20 seconds and it'll be perfectly smooth and silky. And we're going to add some white sugar and stir it really well to make sure it's all dissolved and smooth. Next, we are going to quickly separate one egg. So the egg white is going to go into this large bowl and it's going to be used in the muffin base, but the egg yolk is going to be added into our cheesecake filling. Once that is well combined, we are going to add in just a little bit of vanilla, and that is the final ingredient in this. So just give it another stir, and then it is time to go on to the muffins. Into the bowl that has our egg white, we're going to be adding one egg, and then for the rest of the wet ingredients, we just have milk, oil, and a little bit of vanilla. Now that it is all very well combined and smooth, we are going to add all of the dry ingredients. So we have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a half cup of white sugar, some baking powder, and then salt. Stir this just until the flour is combined, because we're going to be adding in 1 cup of cranberries. Now you can do fresh or frozen, and if you don't have either, you can also use 1 can of whole cranberry sauce. That also works very well in this recipe, and we're just going to stir it in until it combines. You don't want to overmix because then the red from the cranberries is going to bleed through the batter, and although it does look good, I don't think it looks as good. And we're just going to put this aside. I have my muffin pan that has been prepared with muffin liners, and we're going to go ahead and take a scoop and fill up our muffins about halfway with the batter. Now I have a small cookie scoop, and we're going to take a scoop of this cheesecake layer and we're going to put it right on top. Now it is time to put these in the oven. They bake at 350 for 30 minutes, and when tested, a toothpick will come out clean. I'm not even kidding you guys, it smells so good in here. These look delicious. They're perfectly golden, a slight dome on the top. So I let them cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before taking them out. These are so delicious. Make sure you subscribe because this is only episode 6 of Fall in Love with Baking, and we have plenty more episodes coming out and I don't want you to miss any. See you again soon. Bye!